Hey, Charles, and this is the 4th video this week. That is like crazy to me. It really is crazy. Like, I can't believe you're still watching. So anyway, today's video tip is going to be about lighting. And I'm not talking about crazy lighting, even like what I'm doing right now, which is actually a very basic lighting style. I'm talking about the simple lighting that you will probably be using when you're doing your self-tapes, your live streams, your Zoom calls, whatever it might be. We're just talking about basic lighting and how to make it look good for your video. So when it comes to lighting, there's 2 main things you want to think about when you're lighting your scene or getting ready to go live or start filming yourself. And that is color consistency and the direction of light. Yes, I know, it already sounds technical, but I promise you it's very, very simple. Here's what I mean by color consistency. All right, so as you can see here, the lighting looks weird. My skin's a weird color, it just doesn't look good. And that's because in most cases in your house, the color of the lights that you have plugged in are yellow. It's called tungsten, it's called 3400 Kelvin. That's, again, technical, don't worry about it, please stay tuned in, don't leave me. What that means is basically the color of the light is yellow, and there's a window here that's blue, and also my studio lighting is blue, that's the lighting in the back here and over here. It's blue, but watch this. How's that? Now the color is consistent. The light here is blue, the light here is blue, and the light from the window over here is blue, so it makes it so it's even. So that's what I mean by make the color uniform. So what you would do is you would just turn your lights off. So I'm already guessing that you're starting to check out saying, Charles, why am I going to turn my lights off? It's going to be dark and my video is going to look like crap. Please stay with me because we're going to get to it. The next step is talking about the direction of the light. So like right now, I'm doing something that's creatively stylish. Don't worry about that, that's advanced. For you, keep it simple, keep it basic. And what I mean by that is find your window. Find you a good window and put your camera in front of it and have the window, the camera, and you. And you want to sit close to the window, and here's why. By sitting closer to the window, it's going to make the background a little bit darker, which will make you pop out of the background. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is window lighting. So there's no studio lights turned on, there's no artificial lighting turned on whatsoever. This is just light coming from one direction from the window and the lights in my room turned off. Having the lights turned off in the room allows that one direction of light to hit me nice and evenly, makes the shadows look good, and just looks clean and polished. It looks professional, right? So this is what it looks like with the lights turned on in the room. So it's still semi-usable, but it just doesn't look as good as when the lights are turned off. So let's turn those lights back off. You see how much cleaner it looks when you turn off the lights and just leave it with one direction coming from the window? So let's recap this entire process. Number 1, have the light the same color. That might mean turning off the lights in the room you're in and going to sit by the window. Number 2, put the camera in front of the window and then sit in front of the camera. That way the light will come in one direction and will look clean, and also the background will be slightly darker than you, which will make you look like you're popping out of the background. It's that simple. Guys, thank you so much for watching these videos all week. I hope you've enjoyed. If there's a question you have, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to make a video about it because, yeah, let's stay creative during this entire process. I hope these videos have been helpful, and I will see you after Easter. Thanks so much. Have a safe holiday.